Today we are counting down the best rice cookers and multi-cookers you can buy right now. Most people waste money on the wrong cooker that burns rice or feels too complex to use. I have reviewed many options, and I will help you find one that actually makes cooking easy and stress-free. From budget picks to premium machines, there is something here for every kitchen. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out. Let's get started. Number 5. Best Our Place Dream Cooker. This cooker feels modern right away. The clean design and simple touchscreen make it easy to start cooking without confusion. I like how it avoids too many buttons. You just pick your mode, set the time, and you are ready. It works well for everyday meals, especially if you want something quick after a long day. In real use, it handles basic cooking tasks smoothly. Rice comes out soft, and meat cooks evenly. It is also helpful for batch cooking, which is great if you like to prepare meals ahead for the week. That can save time and reduce stress in busy homes. The nonstick surface makes cleaning easy. Food does not stick much, so you do not spend extra time scrubbing. That is something many people will appreciate. One thing to keep in mind is the price. It is higher than some basic cookers, and it has fewer cooking modes than others. Still, if you want something simple and stylish, it is a solid option. 4-in-1 cooking, touchscreen control panel, auto steam release. Number 4. Best Yum Asia Sakura Rice Cooker. If rice is a big part of your meals, this cooker does a great job. It uses smart cooking logic to control heat and timing. That helps create better texture and taste. I noticed that rice comes out soft and balanced, not too dry and not too wet. It offers several cooking functions, but it still feels easy to use. You can cook white rice, brown rice, and even try dishes like soup or porridge. That makes it useful beyond just rice. The ceramic bowl is a nice touch. It helps keep the flavor clean and makes cleaning simple. You do not have to worry about strong odors staying inside. This cooker is a good fit for small families or couples. The size is not very large, so it may not be ideal for big gatherings. But for daily cooking, it works very well. Overall, it gives consistent results and feels reliable. If you want better rice quality without going too expensive, this is a smart pick. Fuzzy Logic Cooking, Ceramic Interbowl, Multi-Cook Programs. Number 3. Best CUCKOO High-Pressure Rice Cooker. This cooker is built for people who want premium performance. The induction heating system spreads heat evenly, which helps improve cooking results. Rice comes out fluffy and well-cooked. It feels close to what you get from high-end kitchens. There are many cooking options to explore. You can try different rice types and meals. This makes it more flexible than basic models. I also like the voice guide feature. It helps guide you through settings, which is useful if you're new. The capacity is another strong point. It can handle larger portions, so it works well for families or gatherings. That can save time when cooking for more people. However, it is more expensive than most options. The number of features may also feel too much for beginners. You may need some time to learn everything. Still, if you want top-level cooking quality and do not mind the price, this cooker delivers strong and consistent performance. Induction heating system, 16 cooking modes, voice guide support. Number 2. Best Midea 12-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. This cooker offers great value for the price. You get many functions in one machine, which helps reduce clutter in your kitchen. It can handle rice, soup, yogurt, and more. That makes it a practical choice for everyday use. The stainless steel inner pot is durable and easy to maintain. It also helps keep food tasting natural. I found it reliable for simple meals like rice, beans, and stews. It does not feel complicated, which is good for beginners. The controls are simple to understand. You can quickly choose a preset and start cooking. This saves time and avoids confusion, especially if you're new to pressure cooking. It may not feel as premium as more expensive models. The design is basic and performance is good, but not top level. Still, for the price, it does what most people need. If you want a budget-friendly cooker that can do many tasks, this is a strong and dependable option. 12-in-1 functions, stainless steel inner pot, easy programmable controls. Number 1. Best Midea 8 Cups Rice Cooker. This is best pick. This is the best overall choice because it balances performance and simplicity. The ceramic inner pot stands out right away. It holds heat well and helps bring out the natural flavor of rice. That makes a real difference in daily cooking. It comes with many smart cooking programs. You can cook different types of rice, make soup, or even try baking. Despite having many features, it still feels easy to use. That balance makes it suitable for most people. The size is practical for families. It can cook enough food without taking too much space in the kitchen. This is important if you want something reliable for everyday meals. Another strong point is consistency. The results are steady every time. You do not need to adjust settings again and again. That makes cooking less stressful. If you want one cooker that does almost everything well and stays easy to use, this is the top pick. Celadon Ceramic Inner Pot. 15 smart programs, consistent heat control. Final verdict: if you want the best overall performance, the Midea 8 Cups Rice Cooker is the top pick. It offers great cooking results, useful features, and a design that fits most kitchens. For a more budget-friendly option with strong versatility, the Midea 12-in-1 pressure cooker is a smart choice. It gives you many functions at a lower cost. Both options are reliable and easy to use. Check the description for the latest prices and more details to find the right one for your needs.